Hello everyone, I am your maths teacher Priyanka from the California, and I hope everyone is fit and fine at home and loving kids. Okay beta, so today we will discuss about the new topic that is of your linear inequation. We will discuss about the topic that is of your linear inequation. Firstly, we discussed about the topic that is of your linear equation, and today we will discuss about that inequation. Means that is not the equation, we are talking about that inequation. So first of all, we will discuss about that the meaning of that inequation. Inequation means a statement indicating that the value of one quantity or the algebraic expression which is not equals to the another is called an inequation. Means whenever we will write any equation, means here you can see I will write one equation in front of you, 2x plus 3 is equals to 4x plus 5. Okay, so here this is your equation, but if sometimes this equation is not equals to the another equation, means this equation is not equals to the another, not equals to the another means sometimes this term must be greater than, sometimes this will be less than, means like that if any equation will be greater than or the less than form, that type of the equations are called that inequation. But if they are equal, so that equations are called that means that type of the statements are called that equation. So means whenever they are in the form of the greater than or the less than, that is your inequation. So here now we have to find out that the solution of that inequation, means you have to find out that solution set of the inequation. So here you can see x is less than 4 where x belongs to the whole number. This is the sign of the w means here we can say that this is your whole number. Okay, whole number already you know very well, that is started from that 0. Whole number started from the 0 means 0 1 2 3 4 up to so on, like that, means that never be finished. Okay, so here you have to find out that solution where x belongs to the whole number set you know very well. This is your 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 up so on. So here in which equation you have to find out that the solution set whenever your x is less than 4. Here you can see this is the put of that curly bracket x such that x is your x belongs to your whole number, and here x must be of your less than 4 and where x belongs to your whole number. Okay, this is your equation ultimately in the form of the bracket we had written. Now you have to find out that the solution set of the x is less than 4. x is less than 4 means जो x वाले टर्म है बच्चे वो क्या है जो आप लोगों की 4 से लेस है, and x belongs to of your whole number. Whole number means this is your set and you have to find out that the x is less than 4. So 4 से less कौन से numbers है इस set में? So that is of your 1 is of your 0, 1, 2 and the 3. These are your numbers. So this is your solution set of this inequation. Okay, so like this you have to find out that the solution set of the equation. So next is here, next statement is also there bache, means in these types of the question nothing is typical or nothing is the different, completely same like whatever we had done in the exercise 9.1, means you have to solve the equation by transposition method. Same thing here, but the problem is that only, no, we can't say this is the problem, the changing is this one only, at where you put that the sign of the equals to, here you have to put the sign of that the greater than or the less than, whatever you are having in your particular statement. So here you can see this is the equation, means ultimately so you have to find out that the solution. X7 is there, numerical, in our class also we discussed about numerical terms must be separate and that variable terms must be separate. So here you can see this is in the form of the plus, we will shift it here, change it into minus, that is of your 2x, 7 minus 5 is your 2, that is of also 2x, 2 divided by 2, this is x, and 1 is also less than your x, means your x is greater than 1. So solutions set is of your whole number. Here set is of your whole number. Beta, we are talking about that a whole number, and the whole numbers are of your 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on. So what will be the solution set of this equation? Yes, what will be the solution set of this equation? This is your x is of here in the form of, we can also write it here like this, x is here greater than 1. So greater than 1 in the sense means in this, from this set you have to take the number that are greater than 1. So greater than 1, what are that number that is are your that are of your greater than 1? That is 2, 3, 4, 5 up to so on. Like this you have to write here solution set. Means like a linear equation you have to solve it, means you have to find out the value of the x just at the place of the sign of the sign of that equals to. Here we are having that sign of that, the greater than or the less than. Okay, so here you can see next one is of here 5x minus 5, which is here less than x plus 7, where x belongs to the, here your solution means x belongs to that whole number, and here is your minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2 3 minus 3 to 3. So here variable terms must be separate and that numerical terms must be separate. So here you can see 5x, this is in the form of that plus, and this we will change it into minus, and here 7, that will be change it into plus. So 5x minus x, that is of your 4x, 7 plus 5, which is here 12. So here x is here 12 divided by 4, and x will be changed it into that 3. Here x is here less than 3, x is here less than 3, and where x belongs to here minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2 3, but you have to take that number that will be of your x is less than 3. So 3 less than, what are the that numbers that are the less than of the 3? All these numbers are all of these numbers are your less than 3. So what will be the solution set? Minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2. Okay, like this you have to solve this question, bache, and your homework is you have to try to be solve that exercise 9.3. okay, exercise 9.3 full of the exercise you have to try to be solve it on your notebook, and I hope this one is clear to you, my loving kids. Okay beta, take care and have a good day.